TradePro. Earn while you shop at PartsHnC. In today's competitive HVAC industry, technicians, contractors, and facility managers are constantly looking for reliable replacement parts and smarter ways to manage costs. TradePro, the loyalty program from PartsHnC, helps you do both by turning everyday purchases into real rewards. Built for HVAC professionals, TradePro is designed specifically for HVAC professionals who depend on quality parts and consistent availability. There are no complicated tiers, no long waiting periods, and no hidden conditions. The process is simple: sign up, shop, earn reward points, and redeem them when you choose. Everything fits smoothly into your normal purchasing workflow. Instant welcome bonus. When you sign up for TradePro, you receive an instant welcome bonus of 1,000 reward points. You can use these points on your first order or save them for future purchases to get even more value. Earn points automatically. Earning points with TradePro is automatic. For every dollar you spend on eligible purchases, you earn 1 reward point, excluding tax and shipping. Points are added to your account once your order is successfully delivered. This allows your rewards to grow naturally as you restock HVAC parts. Flexible redemption with clear value. TradePro offers flexible redemption with no minimum requirement. Redeem a small amount for immediate savings or save your points for larger rewards. The value is simple and transparent. 50 reward points equal $1. Exclusive discounts and Visa gift cards. Members receive access to exclusive site-wide discounts not available to non-members. Once your balance reaches 5,000 points, you can convert your reward points into Visa gift cards for added flexibility. Why choose TradePro? TradePro helps offset rising HVAC part costs, improves purchasing power, and rewards loyalty with real value. Sign up today, collect your 1,000 bonus points, and start earning every time you shop at PartsHnC.